In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe fonts in Figma using the Adobe Creative Cloud app. If you're a designer looking to integrate Adobe's extensive font library into your Figma projects, you've come to the right place. Here's how to seamlessly bring those fonts to life in your interface design. First up, let's dive into Figma, our collaborative interface design tool. Open your web browser and head over to Figma's official website. If you already have a Figma account, fantastic. Go ahead and click on Log In. You'll be prompted to enter your login information. If you don't have an account yet, now's a great time to sign up so you can follow along with ease. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page. This is your command center in Figma, where all your projects and recent files are accessible. From here, click on Design to start a new project or open an existing one where you want to apply Adobe fonts. With your design file open, direct your attention to the menu options, which are typically aligned at the top or left corner based on your Figma layout. Now look for and click on Action. This is a crucial step as it leads to the broader suite of tools Figma has to offer, designed to enhance your design process. Next, you'll want to search for Font Picker. The search function in Figma is incredibly efficient, making it easy to find features and tools you need without sifting through menus. Type Font Picker into the search bar and hit enter. Once you've located the font picker, click on it. This will open up a variety of font options that you can implement in your project. Here's where Adobe Creative Cloud comes into play. If you have the Adobe Creative Cloud app installed on your computer, ensure it's up and running. This will synchronize all the Adobe fonts directly into your system, enabling seamless access from the font picker in Figma. As you browse through the font picker, you'll find a plethora of font choices. If you don't see your Adobe fonts yet, check that your Creative Cloud app is logged in and synced. Now, feel free to experiment and decide which font styles fit your design aesthetic. To use a font, simply select it and Figma will automatically apply it to your chosen text field in the design. Finally, once you've chosen your Adobe font and wish to see it applied, simply click on Run. This action deploys the font fully to your design file. And that's it, you've successfully integrated Adobe fonts into your Figma project using the Adobe Creative Cloud app. This powerful combination allows you to access a diverse range of fonts, ensuring that your designs are not only functional but also visually stunning. Whether you're designing a sleek mobile app or a complex web interface, the right typography can make all the difference. Happy designing!